another quick and easy recipe. Today we're going to be preparing some of the most delicious cookies you will ever try in your life. These are macadamia chocolate chip shortbread cookies, and there's nothing that can describe the heavenly taste when you're biting into that crispy, soft shortbread with the chocolate and macadamia. It's just heavenly. They're very quick and easy to prepare. Now let's get started. So to make these simple shortbread cookies, I'm of course going to be adding my first ingredient, which is the butter. You want real butter here, not margarine, not spread, just good old-fashioned butter. If it's salted, you'll want to omit the 1/4 teaspoon of salt we're going to be using in this recipe. Next goes in the sugar. Now usually shortbread is made with powdered sugar for that silky smooth feel, but today I'm going to be using a pure cane sugar. This has an earthy sweet taste, which will taste incredible with that macadamia taste. Go ahead and cream these two together, and for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I post unique recipes weekly. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Next, go ahead and add the remaining ingredients except for the flour. A teaspoon of vanilla went in, along with the chocolate chips, or chopped up chocolate if you like. And for the best part, this is 1/3 cup of macadamia nuts that I'm going to be crushing and adding them to the mix. You want to chop these up into very small pieces. Add them all to the batter and mix together all of those wonderful flavors. These cookies, you guys, are so delicate, soft and crispy. Feel free to use walnuts or pecans if you're not able to get your hands on some of those macadamias. Lastly, go ahead and add the flour. If your butter is unsalted, be sure to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well. Bring this together and form it into a dough. And as you saw, this has a high butter content, so you'll need to pop this in the fridge to chill for at least 15 minutes. It's all up to you whether you want to scoop these cookies onto your cookie tray or slice them for an even thickness. I'm going to be wrapping them up in a log shape and chilling them for a slice and bake cookie. Now it's time for the yummy part. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cut up the slices about 1/2 inch thick. You want to place these directly onto your cookie sheet, and they don't spread much while baking, so don't worry about placing them too close together. Depending on how thin or thick you slice the cookies, the baking time will vary between 12 to 15 minutes. Once the bottoms are nicely golden brown, your macadamia chocolate chip shortbread cookies are ready. Try them out with white chocolate, dark chocolate, or even toffee pieces for the most extravagant, rich tasting treat you have ever had. These make the perfect gift that everybody will love. So simple, yet so delicious.